Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand the process of knowing the tax liability at risk in the Bills Receivable Report in TallyPrime. With the connected GST experience introduced in TallyPrime Release 5.0, you have the GST portal data just a few clicks away. And you get to know your liability against all your bills receivable and invoices. Sometimes there might be a mismatch in amount in the invoice in your books and that you have uploaded on the GST portal. Moreover, you might have missed to upload one or more invoices on the GST portal. In such cases, there will be some balance liability to be paid to the department. The Bills Receivable Report keeps your liability in check and guides you towards appropriate actions. As a result, your buyer can avail the input tax credit as per the tax amount in the invoice. Let's see how to view the Bills Receivable Report from GST perspective. Press Alt-G. Type or select Bills Receivable GST and press Enter. Here, you can view pending amount, ITC at risk, and the balance pending after considering ITC at risk. This makes it easier for you to identify the discrepancies. Thereafter, you can take actions to correct the discrepancies. You can upload the missing invoices. The buyer will then be able to claim the ITC and you will get the payments receivable on time. Now, if you need to know how the difference in amount is calculated, you can view the GST info. Press F7. You get to know the amount in books and that on the GST portal. The difference in amount is considered as the balance amount that is pending to be reported on the GST portal. Moreover, you get to know how the difference in amount of tax is calculated. Press Escape to go back to the report. Now, you can see that the GST status of this bill is mismatched. A bill may have one or more sales invoices under it. The difference in tax amount for a bill is the total difference in tax amount of all the invoices under it. Press Shift-Enter on the bill to view the invoice details. Now, if you want to know more about the difference between amounts in books and the downloaded invoice, then go to the GST portal view. Place the cursor on the invoice and press Alt-R. Press F8 to show the portal values. This enables you to view the values in the books and that on the portal. Therefore, you will know the source of mismatch. Moreover, you also get to know the tax type breakup along with the rates and amounts. Now, press F9 to view the report in the differential mode. You get to know the differences in amount as applicable. This helps you to know the amount that is pending to be reported on the GST portal. As you saw, TallyPrime significantly improves your journey of uploading and filing GST returns, as you will always be aware of the pending tax to be paid to the department. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp for assistance. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.